Hi everyone! Today we're going to do an unboxing of our Amway products. Let's check it out. So I got myself this dark brown hair dye. This is made from all organic extracts and it leaves my hair very soft and silky. You know, most brand X when I used last time, it really irritates my scalp and it becomes very itchy. So I highly recommend this. I also got my regular brightening mask as well as my Signature Select polishing mask. These two I highly recommend. This is a physical exfoliant, but it's very gentle to your skin to remove dead skin cells and polish your skin for a very soft and immediate silky effect. And this one is very good for skin brightening for those with dark spots or even uneven skin tone. I also got my regular hydrating mousse cleanser. This is very good for those with dry skin and also if you are above 30 years old. I also got this Artistry Studio Zen Energy Exfoliant. It's a very gentle exfoliant cleanser, but I don't use this every day. I use this every now and then when I feel like my pores are very congested. So highly recommend this. I got my Artistry Ideal Radiance CC Cream in the shade Light Medium. This has a very natural effect. If you don't really like to use heavy makeup, you want something with a natural radiance and glow, this is something I recommend for daily use. Makeup wipes for your travels. My sheet mask. This is hydrating and brightening, excellent to pamper your skin. I also got my powder compact as well as the powder refill. This is translucent powder. Again, very look for a natural look if you don't like heavy makeup. And it comes separately. That means you have the compact, the powder refill, and the applicator. So next time when you just want to buy the applicator alone, if it's dirty or what, you can just buy this. Or if you want to just replace the refill once you finish, you just buy the refill. This is my usual concealer in the shade medium, also very natural and not cakey at all. This is the first time I'm trying this shade. This is our latest Artistry Go Vibrant lipstick. It's all vegan, cruelty free, and it's in the shade Marvelous Morning. Very good for those who like mauvey kind of brownish shade. This is also the first time I'm trying Royal Jelly and Bee Pollen. These are from the Bee Treasures. I'm very excited to try this because this is considered superfood. So it's very good for your general health. And our usual body key. My husband and I take this every morning as our breakfast mixed with our soy protein. And it is very good for those who are leading, very busy life and you've got no time to prepare a nutritious breakfast. This is a meal replacement, very nutritious for all those on the go and you don't wish to miss your breakfast, then definitely use this as your option. My usual mouth spray from, let me open this. This is the Glister latest mouth spray and it's all plant-based. Highly recommend this. Finally, what I absolutely love, this Tanah Merah Zen Essential Oil Blend. This is lavender. You have to fix this with the Tanah Merah diffuser and it's super good. Just put this in your bedroom and you'll fall asleep like a baby. So that's all guys, it's empty. I hope you look forward to my next unboxing video. Bye!